Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Valiant Security Training Center. So, meron tayong napansin na estudyante. At sabi daw nila, hawig daw ni Precious Lara Kigaman. Wow, wow. Tingnan natin. Dito nga tayo dito, ma'am. Dito kaya. So, anong name mo?
My name is Aiza po. And Aiza Campusano. I'm from Taguig City.
Okay.
And I'm 31 years old.
Alright, bakit yan nag-security?
Security guard. Before po, real reason behind po is I have a lot of friends security guard na before. And I really envy them. Sobrang, I think, this is a good and stable job. So, yeah, I think that's the real reason po. That's why parang may-encourage ako mag-security.
So, okay lang sa'yo kahit mag-security ka?
Yes, of course. Actually, this is a very noble job po and
wow.
I'm really proud.
Okay, so how's your experience dito, especially sa martial arts?
Martial arts, I really like first time. So, nashock ako first, pero I expected this. And, yeah, I learned a lot. Dami ko lang ako.
Okay, sige. So, see you around, no?
Yes.
So, maraming training days pa at na makikita ang ating mga estudyante. Of course, ikaw din, Miss Aiza, no? So, again, thank you so much, no? Thank you for choosing Valiant as your training center and God bless.
Thank you, sir.